Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this fun and easy beginner-friendly stitch. For more information, please check out the drop-down description box below, or you can visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thanks for watching! Now let's get started. For materials, I am using a worsted weight yarn, an H 5.00mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle to weave in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Then, make a chain as long as you like, or use the multiples 3 plus 6. If you decide to just make a chain as long as you like, at the end of row 1 I will show you how to back out the extra chains or just cut them off. Remember, this loop on your hook never counts as a chain. Row 1. Place 3 double crochet into the 6th chain from hook. The skipped chain 5 counts as a double crochet and chain 2 foundation chain. Skip 2 chains and place 3 double crochet into your 3rd chain. Repeat this all the way down your chain. Once you get to the end of the row, you're going to use your last 3 chains, if you used the multiple, to skip 2 chains and place a double crochet into your last chain. If you chained as many as you like, you'll probably have extra chain that we want to take off. To do this, you can either back out your chains or simply cut them off. I like to cut into the 3rd chain from my last stitch to be sure I don't damage my work. Then you want to just grab that snipped tail of yarn and pull it as you cinch the knot down towards your work. Turn to begin row 2. Chain 3. Next, place 2 double crochet into the space between our last double crochet of our previous round and our last block, which is the 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Now skip the 3 double crochet or block and place 3 double crochet into the space between the blocks. Now place 3 double crochet into each space between blocks all the way down your work. At the end of this row, I will meet back up. The last step of row 2 is you're going to skip the last block, and into that space between the starting chain and the last block, you're going to place 2 double crochet. and then double crochet into the top of that original chain 3. Turn to begin row 3. Chain 3. We're going to be working in the spaces between blocks, all the way down our work. Place 3 double crochet into this first space. And repeat into each space all the way down your work. Once you get to the end of row 3 and you've placed your last 3 double crochet into the last space, you're going to double crochet into your previous chain 3. Turn to begin a repeat of row 2. From here, you're just going to repeat row 2 and row 3 until your work is of desired size. Well, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy working on this fun and easy block or granny stitch. For more information, please check out the drop-down description box below, or you can visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial.